Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can log on to interview.com and you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about one of the important basic Java interview question. What is reflection in Java? Explain. Reflection is a very useful approach to deal with the Java class at runtime. It can be used to load the Java class, call its methods, or analyze the class at runtime. Reflection is a Java language's ability to inspect and dynamically call classes, methods, attributes, etc. at runtime. There are two ways you can create an object. Static way of creating object is using new operator. I can create an object. For this will be like it will be a little bit difficult because the code will be compiled, and if you want to change this class, okay, you have to change the class name in the code, and you have to recompile it. Okay, there is another way. Using reflection you can load the class. So you have to pass the string. You have to pass the class name as a string to class.forName. So class.forName is very important in reflection. This will load the class. It will find out the exact class, and it will try to load, and cls.newInstance, this will create the object for us. So this will become a dynamic. This code will become dynamic, and here, whereas this is static way, in this case, reflection case, say for example in the app.properties you have mentioned the class name, and we can read this property name, and we can load the string here, and we can plug in any class name. So after 6 months you are getting a new feature. So the new feature is developed by a different class, so you can just rename this application property to a different new feature class name. Then our application can load it dynamically, and we can use it without recompiling. Please remember, without recompiling I can load this class. So no need to compile the code. Dynamically we can plug in new code into existing application using reflection. If I have done in a static way, then I need to change the code in the application, then I have to recompile it and use it. Whereas using reflection, I don't have to recompile it. I can just change this new class name that I introduced in a property file. So reflection, there are a lot of advantages to load the class at runtime without even knowing who is going to do what. Okay, so just passing a string class name, we can load the features in runtime. Hope this video is useful. Thank you and all the best.